How to count unique values in Google Sheets. To count unique values in Google Sheets, start by selecting the cell where you want to display the count. Next, type the equals sign to begin a formula. The formula to count unique values is unique, which is used in combination with the counta function. The syntax is counta, unique, range, where range refers to the cells that contain the values you want to count. For example, if you want to count unique values in column A, the formula would be counta, unique, A. After typing the formula, press Enter to execute it. Google Sheets will then count the unique values in the specified range and display the result in the selected cell. For example, if column A contains the values apple, banana, apple, orange, and banana, the formula counta, unique, A, would return 3, because there are 3 unique values, apple, banana, and orange. To count unique values based on multiple criteria, you can use the filter function in combination with the unique and counta functions. The syntax is counta, unique, filter, range, criterion, where range refers to the cells that contain the values you want to count, and criterion refers to the condition that the values must meet. For instance, if you want to count unique values in column A that are greater than 10, the formula would be counta, unique, filter, A 10. Best practices for counting unique values in Google Sheets include using the unique function in combination with the counta function, and using the filter function to count unique values based on multiple criteria. It is also a good idea to use absolute references when referencing the range of cells, to ensure that the formula works correctly even if you insert or delete rows or columns. By following these steps and using these formulas, you can easily count unique values in Google Sheets and make your data analysis more efficient.